Hello guys, welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. Today we will be discussing the question maximize distance to closest person. In this question we are given an array representing a row of seats where seat I is 1 representing a person sitting in the ith seat and seat I is 0 representing the ith seat is empty. Now there is at least one empty seat and at least one person sitting. Alex wants to sit in the seat such that the distance between him and the closest person to him is maximized. So if this is the seat formation given to us, so the answer would be 2 because he can be placed at this point and the maximum distance will be 2, right? Other than this, at any given position, if Alex is sitting over here, then the distance between the nearest person will be 1 and that won't be our answer. So we need to return the maximum distance. So there can be 3 cases in this solution. Firstly, that Alex can be will sit in between two people. Second case will be Alex will sit at far left, and third case will be Alex will sit at far right. Now let's take each of these cases one by one. So in case 1, what we need to do is we need to find the distance between two subsequent people, two people sitting, and we need to find the middle of these value, and the middle will be our result in that case. So we'll find distance between two people and find its mid, which will be our answer. In case 2, we need to find the first person sitting from left, and case 3, we find the first person sitting from right. So the case of this will be this case, which is already given to us, in which the result is the middle element. In this case, the result the case will be like this: 0 0 0 0 comma 1. In this case, Alex would be sit over here, and in the same case can be like this, where it is 0 0 1 0 0 0. So Alex will sit over here, which will give maximum distance as 3. So we need to take care of all the 3 cases. We'll go step by step into each case and code it. Let's see. We'll start with putting if this with the null cases. If the seats is equals to null, or the seats dot length is equals to 0, in that case the value is 0. We directly return 0. Now we have the result, which will initially be 0, and for finding the middle element we will take a value. We'll take val equals to 0. Now we'll loop on the seats array. If the person is sitting on this seat, we reinitialize our val to 0 because we need to again start calculating the distance between the two people. And if it is this, so we'll increment the val, and the result will be math.max of result and val plus 1 by 2. This will take care of the first case. You can write it there, case 1. Now the case 2 will be there is an empty space at the start of the seat, and that might give us the answer. In that case, what we do is we again loop and if the seeds of I is equals to 1, we find the maximum value, which will be result comma I, and break the loop. Now the final case, which is case 3. In this case, we need to start from the right hand side. So what we'll do this. If again the seeds equals to 1, we give again find the maximum result is seeds dot length minus 1 minus I. Do this and break. At the end, we return our result. So we have covered all the 3 cases that are possible in this scenario, and we'll run this code. So it is the right result for this. Now let's see the other. This is a right case and this one is a left case. So let's see if it is also giving the right. Let's submit this. It got submitted. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.